Asvin Salar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 2024 Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. This is the moment you've all been waiting for as we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga to open up our Junior World Showcase Delta Cup Games. This is day number 1 of our 5-day spectacular dito mga kasinag. And we are well represented all over the world. Not just dito sa Pilipinas, but sa buong mundo. May apagat pangapon po mga kasinag. Magandang hapon po sa lahat na nakatutok from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asia. Ako po ang inyong makasama ngayong araw. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa representing the region of Luzon. Siyempre, it's the World Showcase. Together with me, the Master of Disaster representing Visayas and Mindanao, Coach Paul Joven. Coach Paul, maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon, maayong hapon, Enzo. Again, first, I would like to greet all our fans throughout the world, sa lahat ng mga Pinoy. Maayong hapon, good afternoon, and of course, sa mga Kapampangan na nanonood, Kalugaran, Daka.
May special something.
May baon tayo.
May
May
baon
baon
ka.
tayo. Siyempre.
Tayo din, ang Sinag Liga Asia rin, may baon ding someone special. Dahil nga po mga kasinag, it is the World Showcase. We're trying to represent the entire world, di ba? Di lang Luzon, di lang Visayas, Mindanao, but ang buong mundo. So, we have got someone from international waters. Ang little beauty from down under. Walang iba kundi si Jasvin Salarda. Jasvin, welcome to the Philippines and how are you?
Thank you, Enzo. Hi, everybody. I am indeed the little beauty from down under, all the way over there in Australia. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm looking forward to some great basketball and some Filipino basketball, because I never get to see that over there. So I'm very, very excited to be here.
Well, this is the perfect place for you to get introduced sa Filipino basketball. Tandaan natin mga kasinag, dito po sa Brenzigiao Convention Center nagsimula ang Sinag Liga Asia. We are at home, di ba, Coach Paul?
Again, it feels like, I'm from Cebu. I was born in Mindanao, in Butuan. But every time we are here, feels like home. Ang lamig pa.
Yun talaga yung yung malamig. Pero siyempre, malamig man dito, mainit naman po ang pagtanggap sa atin ng mga kabalin dito. Kaya, mga kabalin, pwede ba kayong mag-ingay para sa Sinag Liga Asia? Sige nga, one time nga. Pag sinabi kong Sinag Liga Asia, gusto ko sabihin nyo, we are one. Okay, ulit. Pag sinabi kong Sinag Liga Asia, sisigaw nyo po, we are one.
And then may sign eh. Diba?
Sige.
Diba?
Taas nyo daw ang ones nyo. Pag sinabing we are one, taas natin ang one, okay? So try natin. Sinag Liga Asia, we are one!
Again, parang kulang eh.
Kulang pa energy. Sigaw tayo. Pakita natin na ito talaga ang Pampangang home na Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia, we are one! Ayan. Grabe naman ang acknowledgement talaga ng Pampanga. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo mga kabalin. Maraming salamat sa warm welcome talaga dito. And what a way to celebrate ang ating Junior World Showcase dito nga sa loob ng Brendiao. Pero siyempre, konting festivities muna tayo bago natin simulan ang ating mga laro dito. So first performer po natin, alam ko, excited na kayo. Kanina nyo pa po siya gustong makilala, kaya mga kasinag. Now, let's turn it over to the beautiful and powerful DJ Yuna Alegre.
Kamusta mga kasinag? Hello everyone, I'm DJ Yuna. Ready na ba kayo? Isang sigawan naman dyan, oh. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, let's go!
Controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me. Gotta get boom boom boom. 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 That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. Boom boom boom.
Gone super 8 shit, that low fi super 8 thread. I'm on that HD flat, this beat go boom boom bap. I'm a beast when you turn me on, into the future Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger, sexy ladies extra longer. Cause we got the beat that pound, we got the beat that pound, we got the beat that 808, that boom boom in your town.
People in the place, if you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. We're live, drop the beat now.
Yeah, yeah. I be rocking them beats. Yeah, yeah. I be rocking them beats. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Here we go, satellite radio. Y'all getting hit with the boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom. Just keep bumping, bumping. Just keep bumping.
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, pumanda niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nagpipigil? Sabi-sabi sa pag-ibig, sabi-sabi sa ibig, rin bang sabihin? Sabi-sabi sa pinas ng pag-ibig, kailan niyo ba mapapansinin?
Hands up, hands up.
So DJ turn it loud.
Take your hand, make a fist. Put your hand over your wrist. Take your hand, make a fist. Put your hand over your wrist. Take your hand, make a fist. Put your hand over your wrist. Put your hand over your wrist. Put your hand over your wrist. Put your hand over your wrist.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Like you riding on a horse, do it. Do it like you riding on a bike, do it. Like you riding on a horse, do it. Do it like you riding on a bike, do it. Sexy lady, move it, move it, move it, do it, do it. Don't stop.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Sexy lady, move it, move it, move it, do it, do it. Don't stop. Sexy lady, if you sexy and you know it, do not be afraid to show it. Let's go, let's go. Right in here. Hands up, hands up.
So DJ turn it loud. Tonight I wanna show you off what you got. A billion could've never bought. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world beyond tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya. 'Cause all I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. It's all about you when the music makes you
Energetic way to start the festivities.
What an energetic start to the festivities. Thank you for pumping the energy, DJ Yuna. Palakpakan naman po natin si DJ Yuna. Pero mga kasinag, bago po natin simulan ang mga laro na alam kong inaantay niyo pong lahat, let's immerse ourselves with some beautiful voices dito. We have two very, very special guests that will grace the hard court and serenade us with their beautiful voices. Our special guest artists, stand-up comedians from Manila Miss Q&A Intertalaktik 2019. Palakpakan po natin si Mitch Montecarlo, and from Britain's Got Talent, the mistress, Mariel Santos.
What's up, Sinag Liga? Palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawa! Gathered summers into life, now we're standing side by side. It's all you're feeling, I just can't deny. tayong tanga. Hey! Hey! Napakasaya talaga namin dalawa. Kaming dalawa lang ang masaya. Sana lang through an open door. Love and life I will divide. Sana one doesn't need more. Feel the heart beating my mind. It's so I'm feeling I just can't deny.
Mas maraming tao dito.
But I'm gonna let it go. We found a love in a hopeless place. Found love in a hopeless place. Found love in a hopeless place. Found love in a hopeless place. Palakpakan, everybody! Give it time, see the night. Never something side by side as a shadow crosses my mind. Hey! Find love in a hopeless place. 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 Napakasaya.
Tagal ko ba to? Yeah! Put your hands up in the air. Let's party! Once again, everybody.
Find love in a hopeless place. Find love in a hopeless place. Find love in a hopeless place. Find love in a hopeless place.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman once again si Nagliga Asha
Ano ba?
Junior World Showcase.
Totoo. Maganda ba? Ganito ho, parang medyo tulog pa yung mga dugo natin. Pwede ba kami maglambing? Pataas nga po ng dalawang kamay.
Kung okay
lahat
lang po.
Lahat. Lahat. Wala. Isinusumpa ko po, ang hindi magtataas ng kamay, magkakaroon kayo ng 10 anak, puro bakla lahat.
Yan.
Taas po dalawang
Sige.
kamay. Taas
Itaas
dalawa.
po.
Then
Itaas.
palakpakan na may kasama sigawan! Ayan.
Kung di pa kayo takutin.
Diyos ko, gising na ba? Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Gising na sila.
Gising na sila. Oo, konting taste na lang makikita na natin ang ating mga ang ating mga pambato. Of
Totoo.
course, ang mga mahuhusay nating basketball players, mga
Well, actually,
kapatid.
kung hindi ho kami nagkakamali, ito ay congregation ng lahat ng bayan ng Pampanga. Tama ho ba? So, maraming Nasaan ang mga taga San Fernando?
Mga taga San
Magpalakpakan.
Fernando. Meron dito. Hiwa-hiwalay sila, kalat-kalat.
Oo. Mas maraming tao dito kaysa dito. Dito na lang tayo.
Oo. Pasensya na kayo dyan, ha? Yung camera, pakilipat dito. Oo.
Totoo. Magandang hapon po. Bago kami magpakilala muli, bago kami magpatuloy, magpapakilala ho ulit.
Correct.
Ako ho si Mitch.
Ako po si Mariel at kami po muna makakasama ninyo for the meantime sa isang maikling oras habang nagpe-prepare pa ang ating mga delegates.
Actually, hindi nga oras, minuto lamang po kasi talaga namang siksik-liglig umaapaw ang mga performance
Oo.
at ang mga bisita natin ngayong araw.
At ang nakakatuwa, minuto lang ang natin, pero bihis na bihis ka.
Oo,
di ba?
ganap na ganap ako. Siyempre, hindi mo naman pwede ipagwalang bahalak. Ito ang Sinagliga Asia, di ba?
Correct.
So, ibig sabihin talagang kinakailangan labanan. Kumusta ho kayo dyan? Ang gwapo naman itong si Kuya.
Actually,
Nakita niya natin
ang
to.
daming gwapo ngayong gabi, ang daming gwapo ngayong
Oo.
hapon. May mga ilang walang itsurang nakalusot, pero...
Totoo. Alam mo kasi, malapit ako dito. Ang gwapo sa Kapampangan, masanting. Tama?
Masanting.
Tama ho ba ako? Masanting ang gwapo?
Tama?
Totoo.
Oo, pero ang maganda, malago.
Malago.
Tama
Eh,
ba? Oo.
Malago ba? Bakit kanina pagpasok ko, sabi sa akin, welcome po, Matsura. Gumano sa akin, Dad.
Ano sabi?
Ano yun?
Ano po ibig sabihin nun?
Maganda.
Pangit da.
Ha?
Pangit da, sabi.
Loko yung nagsabi sa akin kanina. Hello po, Daddy.
Ay pa kay Sir.
Kami ho ba, nakikita nyo na lang, pero hindi nyo na kami nadidinig, Daddy. Magandang
Nakita pa
hapon
naman.
po.
Mukhang may sinusuportahan sila, Daddy, no? Ano pong sinusuportahan nyo?
Sige po,
Washington, D.C. Ay, international. Kasi actually, we're international at syempre, parang 5 networks ang nanonood sa atin. So, kalat-kalat sila bossing pala from Washington. Alam mo naman taga-Washington, D.C.
Paano mo nalaman?
Diyos ko, ginto pa lang si Sir. Alam mong gold medalist. Di ba?
Totoo.
Oo.
Alam mo ba, sir, kayo na lang po, dalawa na lang ang nakitaan ko ng ganyang ginto.
Si Sir, tsaka...
Tsaka ang Cebuana Luwilier. Kayo na lang, sir, na
Siyempre,
dalawa.
saklaan yun.
Taga-Amerika po kayo.
Tama ba, boss?
Cebu.
Taga
Tarantado
Cebu.
ka. So, sinong taga-Amerika?
Oo. So,
Ah,
Sir,
sila.
okay lang ba? Since nandiyan ka, andito yung camera, pwede bang lumipat ka dito para...
Andito na lang kayo. Totoo. And of course, eto yung ating camera. Kumaway naman kayo kasi napapanood tayo,
ka
ha?
naman, bossing.
Kaway
Andito
kayo.
tayo. Ayun ang ating camera. Mapapanood po kayo sa lahat ng channel, sa National Geographic, tsaka sa Coco Melon.
Yes.
Ayan, mapapanood
Tapos,
po kayo.
kayo po, Daddy, yung puti ang buhok. Kumuway po kayo kasi napapanood po kayo sa 700 Club. Si Daddy.
Ang luma naman 700 Club. Tapos
Correct.
yung mga nandito naman sa harapan, wag po sa inyo ha. Yung mga nasa taas, nag-e-enjoy din ba kayo? Kung nag-e-enjoy kayo, talon.
Hindi. Oo, lahat ito yung may mga sinusuportahan. Tapos, hello kay sir. Parang,
I guess we
think
do have a foreign friend.
This kind of, hi sir.
Yeah, the one with
guy-
the- with long
Hi.
hair.
Where are you from? Kamukha siya ni Jesus
Oo.
Christ.
Are you a-
Hi! Are you... Oh my God. Alam mo, ayoko magkaroon ng ganyang boyfriend. Are you a
Bakit?
Filipino, sir?
Are you a Filipino?
No.
Pilipino ba yun o Badyaw? Ano ba? Nalilito kami.
Alam mo, Mariel, ang guwapo ni sir, kaso ayoko maging boyfriend niya.
Bakit?
Dahil mahirap, kamukha ni Jesus Christ.
Oo,
Ay,
Diyos ko. So paano pagdating sa ganong bagay, no?
Paano kami magla-love making kung kamukha ni Jesus Christ?
Oo.
Baka mamaya nakaganon niya. Hi, sir. Where are you from?
Where you
Sir.
from, sir?
Sir, where are you from? Are you from Canada?
Wow.
Oh my God.
Where
Actually-
in Canada?
Because Canada is a big country, which
Yeah.
is divided into two.
What's the part of Canada, Mitch?
Ayun, sa ano daw sila? Canada del Norte.
Ano yung Davao?
Hi, sir. You look so handsome. Are you
Nagtatagalog ba siya, tita? Tita, nagtatagalog ba si sir? Do you speak Tagalog, sir? No.
No. Are you
Oh.
single?
Okay, bye.
Ano, hindi na siya single. Ang gwapo. So, pero syempre, kahit ganyan kagwapo yung foreigner, ilalaban ko pa rin yung mga kapampangan.
Oo naman, iba ang Kapampangan. Diyos
Iba.
ko, magpalakpakan naniniwalang mas gwapo ang mga Kapampangan!
Diyos ko.
Tsaka nakakatuwa ang mga Kapampangan, mga sweet.
Paano mo nasabing sweet?
Siyempre, dito ang tusino, di ba?
Yes. Nagkaroon ako ng boyfriend na kapampangan sa may bandang Basa.
Ay,
Di ba
malapit-
Basa doon? Sa may bandang Florida.
Oo.
Ay, napakasarap.
Totoo. Anong
Yeah.
lasa?
Lasang Pampangas best.
Kala ko,
Totoo.
young pork tusino.
Correct. Uy, medyo limited lang ang oras namin ha. Kaya mag-sit back, relax kayo dyan.
Correct.
Dahil hindi lang kami ang makakasama nyo today. Napakarami pa
Marami
nating
pa po.
guests.
We do have 64 performers today.
Totoo.
So, dalawa pa lang po kami nga napapanood din nyo. Tapos gusto lang din namin i-welcome yung ating mga, I guess, hindi po kayo lalagyan ng ganyang kwintas kung hindi kayo mga VIPs. Welcome po sa inyo, ha? But for the
No
meantime,
po.
we just want to sing this song for you guys.
Aha.
Everyone, once again, palakpakan!
Palakpakan na sila! Agad.
Saya natin dalawa. Party na naman! It's that bitch apart, it's 6:13. I've been through a lot, but I'm still fighting. Is everybody back in the
way too much. I mean, repetitions in the cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. There's a feel right now. Oh, best of all the under pressure. I find a light in the stairs here. Oh, nothing gonna want it used to be. This should not be better. Turn on the music, turn on the light. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright. Okay, okay, alright. It's about that time. Turn on the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, okay, alright. It's about that time, bitch. Once again, salamat po sa inyo lahat, ha? Please do salve for more. Hey! I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's another time. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about that time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, ako po si Mick. At ako po si Maria. Hey.
What a wonderful performance to behold. They effortlessly hit those notes. Give it up once again for Mitch and Marielle, everybody. So, before we get the ball rolling, get ready to feast your eyes on intricate movements and rhythmic rhythm of music that's about to unfold. Please put your hands together for the Uncaged Dancers!
Let the bass kick.
Ay nagulat nang buksan ang pinto. Sayaw ng mga tao'y biglang nahinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, talang pa kay Gucci. Suot mo'y gawa ni Pitoy, di nang galing kay Elo.
Speaking of effort, we have worked hard and extended all efforts along with many people to make this swing long tournament come into fruition. Starting from this afternoon and for the next 4 days, we will follow and witness the future basketball stars, not only here in the Philippines, but other parts of the world. Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase is a competition that will unite the youth around the globe. And if you don't believe in us, just watch this. Dilag ng Pilipinas, representing Canada, Angelica Santos. Let's all welcome Lei Sunga representing Dubai. From USA, Anne Klein Castro. From the Philippines, Lyra Punsalan.
Paggawa ko na ang bola, di na makapagbigay. Dugo ng isang atleta sa
Your team Canada for 15 under. Canada is
tibayan mo ang loob. Sinaligaan siya may pag-asa. Tatak, ipakita ang galing, pati na ang iyong lakas. Step back, tres, hindi mo malakas. Sa larangan na ito, ang pangalan ay pabakas. Sa lumakang makikita, lumipad ang mataas.
Canada West. Pavilion Disney. For 17 under, your Canada Central. Canada East. Canada West. From USA, your Pavilion Disney. Round Dubai, your last shot, Dubai, UAE. Once again from USA, your Pavilion DZ. Also from USA, your Pavilion DZ, Lipton Tiger, New Jersey. Also from USA, your La Paz, California. Also from USA, Pavilion Disney, Pavilion, New York. We also have La Paz, California, Lipton Tigers, New Jersey. Once again from USA, the Pavilion, New York. And now from the Philippines, your UBL NCR. Also you have your RC Rebels. Joining us also your Passion Sports. Joining us also your Mac Davao. Also joining us, your UBLNZR. Also joining us, your Lyceum Subic. One of the prize of Pampanga, your Louis Duan Kapampangan. Also joining us, your GDM Davao. Also joining us, your Zamboanga Eza. Also joining us, your NYBL. Another pride of Pampanga, your Apalit I Lover. And last but not the least, your Pampanga Pradera.
Once again, let's all welcome all of our teams competing for our Sinag Liga Asia World Showcase.
And now that all the competitors are here, may we request everyone who are able to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be followed by the opening prayer.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Father in heaven, we ask your Father in heaven, we ask your blessing on the game we're about to play. Give each one of us the courage to play this game in a manner which, by our words and actions, is pleasing to you. Let us enter into this competition in a spirit of sportsmanship and with a respect for the members of the opposing team. We ask you, Father, to bless each one of us, especially the coaches, officials, parents, and players. Keep us under protection of your Son, Jesus Christ, and help us be aware of His presence with us in this game. Amen. Everyone, we invite everyone to offer a moment of silence. Tribute to the late sports journalist, former BPA commissioner, and a pillar of Philippine basketball, Mr. Chino Trinidad. Rest in peace, Commissioner Trinidad. You may be gone, but your contributions to Philippine sports will never be forgotten. Thank you, everyone. You may now take your seats.
I'm Rocky Chan, chairman of Sinag Liga Asia. Junior World Showcase was not necessarily my idea. A collaboration of some of the people behind grassroots talents. Talents who we wanted to give equal opportunity for Filipino young kids, not only in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, but also abroad, internationally. So we were supposed to start it with Asia, but a bigger picture came out of our discussions, and this is with the help, of course, of some of the people around. Me and our president, Boss Ray Alao, together with Coach Leo, and discuss further on coming up with a showcase for our junior kids or junior talents in the field of basketball. So Ray Alao started communicating with a couple of friends abroad and started to discuss it with Mr. Eric Quintana, our Vice President for International Affairs. So that's where all it started. Then it came up to the same mission and vision as to the league.
Leo Isaac, Chief Operations Officer, Sinag Liga Asia. Pampanga, mula nung nag-umpisa ang Sinag Liga Asia, ang ama ng Pampanga, walang iba si Governor Delta Pineda, nandiyan na lagi, no? Naka-agapay, wholeheartedly, sumuporta, tumulong sa maraming bagay para sa Sinag. Kaya nung in-open up nila Boss Rocky at Boss Ray itong proyektong to kay Governor Delta Pineda, walang atubili, walang pag-aagam-agam, agad-agad ginakap ni Governor Delta ang programang ito. At yung mga sumunod na araw ng pag-uusap, Gov, pwede mo bang suportahan in terms of venue? Hindi lang isa, 3 venue pa nga ang inasikaso ng Pampanga government para sa World Junior Showcase. Plus, the hotel accommodation, okay, transpo, security, at idadagdag mo pa dyan ang talagang walang sawang crowd support na binibigay ng mga Kapampangan pagdating sa laro ng basketball. Of course, marami silang entering team, no? Ang mga team sa Pampanga, maraming kasaling team at umaasa tayo na talagang magiging malaki ang suporta. Pero sino sa mga basketball godfathers ang magbibigay ng ganyang suporta? Biglaan, hindi tested, ngayon pa lang uumpisahan, si Governor Delta Pineda ang nagtiwala sa Sinag Liga Asia. Kaya naman, siya rin ang tinatakbuhan ng Sinag Liga Asia sa mga ganitong malalaking programa.
Hello mga kasinag, my name is Rodney Santos. Ako po ang commissioner ng Sinag Liga Asia. Ano kasi, ang idea is lumapit tayo kay Gov Delta, no, na to help us organize itong Junior World. No? Wala naman naging usapan na doon gagawin talaga. Ang talagang plano natin is dito sa Manila. No? And all of a sudden, sabi ni Gov, siyempre, just to promote also the tourism, siyempre, ng Pampanga, eh, para sa mga bata naman, maiba. Kasi, alam ko, yung mga pupunta rin naman dito to attend the tournament, eh, nasa Manila din sila. So, what else is new? Diba? So, bigyan natin ng different outlook, different perspective. Dali natin sila sa, hindi natin masasabi mo, bisa, out of town, out of the Manila. No? May iba naman yung ambience nila. Diba? So, thankful tayo kay Gov kasi he wants to host the Junior World, the first Junior World na sa Pampanga. Kaya nandiyan ang Royce, sabi niya, sige, tulong ako sa inyo. So, very grateful and thankful tayo. So, malaking bagay. So, yung idea natin na tulungan tayo kung paano gagawin or tapos with sponsors, ending, siya pa yung tumulong sa atin na dito nyo na gawin para alam naman natin si Gov. gano'n ka-supportive sa pagdating sa basketball.
Nomar Santiago, TV Director and Head of Production, Sinag Liga Asia. This I consider a very challenging task for a media broadcaster like me. There's a lot of things to learn. There's a lot of things to consider, especially equipments, skills of talents, skills of the production side, the content of the games, the content prior, outside the games. Napakaraming bagay na pwedeng matutunan, napakaraming bagay na pwedeng ipagmalaki right after this. It becomes successful and then we're looking forward to be successful and then there's no room for mistakes. I'm very optimistic na malaki ang maitutulong nito sa bawat isa sa atin. And then also for the players na mapanood nila ito na maayos, for the people, enthusiasts, mapanood nila ito ng mas maganda. Napakalaking bagay yan para sa mga katulad natin na nagbibigay ng coverage para sa kanila. So I would like to invite everyone, all the viewers, of course, of Sinag Liga Asia to always support the league, and then support this upcoming ventures ng SLA para sa international partnership. Itong Junior World Showcase, talagang we're giving everything to this event. And then hopefully, if God permits, naging 100% smooth itong aming coverage. And then mag-enjoy ang mga bata, ang participants, all the viewers. And of course, congratulations to Sinag Liga Asia for venturing into this very enthusiastic event like Junior World Showcase.
Hi, my name is Ray Alaw of Sinag Liga Asia, President and CEO. Ayun, ang maganda kasi from Canada, UAE, Dubai, di ba? Lalo na sa US, ang daming teams. Siyempre, nandiyan yung mga taga-New Yorker, di ba? Na excited na makipagbakbakan. Di ba? Hindi rin papatalong Washington DC niyan. Siyempre, nandiyan yung napakatibay nating direktor na si Eric Quintana. Siyempre, pagdating naman sa Pilipinas, ang daming excited na makalaban naman sila. From Pampanga to Mindanao, di ba? Ngayon, yung Luzon natin, di ba? Nakakatuwa kasi bukod sa pagiging excited nila, lahat sila nag-ready. Lalo-lalo na yung Apalit, Pampanga. So, sobrang pagmamahal ni Governor Delta Pineda sa Pampanga, nagkaroon ng Apalit kay Mayor, di ba? Na talagang alam naman natin kung gaano kahilig sa basketball ang mga taga-Apalit. Grabe. Alam mo yun, kung manood sila, wala nang tao sa mga barangay nila. Lahat nandun sa Coliseum or gym, di ba? Kaya excited po ako na mapanood ang mga teams na kalahok dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase natin. Po dito talagang bakbakan po ito. Dahil yung ibang teams nakita na po namin, siyempre yung mga Pinoy po na solid na dito nakatira sa Pilipinas, hindi naman papayag basta-basta na talunin sila. Siyempre mga taga-US naman marami sila ipapakita dahil sa mga training nila doon, nakakaiba rin, di ba? Alam naman natin pag US, iba yan. Canada, UAE, di ba, Dubai. Iba yung mga training din nila doon na advance nga na tinatawag. Pero gaya nga po ng sinasabi ko, iniimbitahan ko kayo na manood ng Sinag Liga Asia World Showcase. At ng mga, siyempre, patalinuhan ng mga coaches yan. Bukod sa patalinuhan ng coaches, siyempre, nandyan din yung excitement ng mga team manager or team owner. Kaya muli po, inayayaan po kayo na Sinag Liga Asia na supportan niyo po kami. Sakay na.
Mga kasinag, let us meet the hard-working men behind our league, our SLA officials. Our chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan. Our president, CEO, Ray Alaw. Our chief operations officer, Coach Leo Isaac. Our league commissioner, Rodney the Slasher Santos. our Vice President of International Affairs, Eric Quintana. We would also like to acknowledge the beloved Governor of the province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and the Chairperson for Senate Committee on Sports, Senator Bong Go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our SLA officials. May we request our SLA chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan, to stay inside the court so that he may give his opening message.
Magandang hapon. Good afternoon, everyone. Mayong hapon sa tanan. Okay, in behalf of the SLA family, maraming salamat for taking time out to be part of the first ever SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Again, umihingi ako ng paumanhin sa mga bisita, sa mga players who have take time. Yung iba wala pang tulog for coming over. Pasensya na, medyo nag-delay tayo ng konti. But again, maraming salamat. Of course, to our mga bisita all the way from Zamboanga, Davao. Of course, our international led by, of course, the Quintana brothers, Eric and Edmond. Palakpakan po natin ang mga brainchild or people behind SLA. Of course, sleepless nights, I'd like to thank our President Ray Alao, our Commissioner Rodney Santos, and of course, our very hardworking COO, Coach Leo Isaac. Again, to all our directors from Canada, UAE, and the United States, and sa mga teams from the Philippines, UBL, Passion Sports, Lyceum Subic Bay, and of course, Pampanga and Apalit. Maraming salamat sa mga taong sumuporta sa Sinag Liga Asia. I can't thank anyone. Of course, maraming salamat for the one man that behind of supporting this tournament, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Palakpakan po natin. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge from the office of Senator Bongo. You won't be able to be here, but of course, malaking suporta ang binigay ni Honorable Senator Bongo for this first ever Junior World Showcase. And of course, to the muses, these are the beauties of Pampanga, yung mga muses natin. Again, uulitin ko, I can't, it's just once, twice, many times. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you to our chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention po sa ating mga LED screens for a special message from the chairperson of Senate Committee on Sports, Senator Bong Go.
Good day to everyone. I am delighted to extend my warmest greetings to all the participants, organizers, and attendees of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, spearheaded by Chairman Rocky Chan. As the chairman of the Senate Committee on Sports, I am particularly proud to see such a vibrant gathering of young athletes. Sports play a crucial role in fostering discipline, teamwork, and perseverance among our youth. It is through events like this that we promote not just athletic excellence, but also the values that come with being part of a team. My advocacy has always been clear. Get into sports, stay away from drugs to keep us healthy and fit. By engaging in sports, our youth are given a positive outlet for their energy and a path towards a healthier and more active lifestyle. I firmly believe that through sports, we can steer our young people away from negative influences and guide them towards a brighter future. I commend each and every one of you for your dedication and passion. Let us continue to support and promote sports as a means to build a stronger, healthier, and more united community. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was the chairperson of Senate Committee on Sports, Senator Bong Go. And now, let us hear some welcoming remarks from our Vice President of International Affairs, Mr. Eric Quintana.
Good afternoon, mga kababayan. Anyway, marami pong salamat sa inyo. Thank you, Pampanga, for giving us this opportunity, for the warm welcome that you give to us. Marami pong salamat. And then, para po sa mga US team that participated and join us here for the first ever Junior World Showcase that we have. Maraming salamat po sa mga organizer, referees, committees. Thank you so much po dito sa presentation na ginawa niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Of course, the Governor of Pampanga, Governor Delta Pineda, thank you so much. So, let's the games begin. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again to our Vice President of International Affairs, Coach Eric Quintana. And now, let us hear a special message from our very own Chief Operations Officer, Coach Leo Isaac.
Magandang hapon po, Pampanga. Magandang hapon sa ating mga opisyales ng Sinag Liga Asia, sa mga opisyales ng ating mga bisitang koponan. Maraming salamat uli sa inyong kooperasyon. Huwag nating kalimutan magpasalamat sa ating Diyos, ang ating pong may kapal na ginawang makarating tayo dito ng maayos at makapaglaro tayo ng magandang basketball. Pasalamat ako sa mga coaches ng mga iba't ibang teams. Salamat sa pag-guide ninyo sa mga bata, sa mga player para maging mabuting manlalaro, maging mabuting mga tao, hindi lamang sa loob ng court hanggang sa labas ng basketball court. Mga bata, mga manlalaro, ito na ang pagkakataon ninyo para maipakita ang inyong galing. Maraming oras ang ginugugol ninyo sa pagpapractice. Maraming oras kayong sinasakripisyo para marating ang inyong mga pangarap. Ito na ang pagkakataon para maipakita ang inyong galing, mabigyan ng pagkakataon ang inyong pangarap, ang inyong mga panaginip na maging isang magaling na manlalaro. Huwag niyong sayangin ang pagkakataon nito. Nanonood ang buong mundo. Nanonood ang mga coaches ng mga malalaking eskwela para masundan at makita kung sino sa inyo ang aangat sa sunod na level. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. 5 araw tayo magbabasketball dito. Pasalamat muli, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Once again, thank you so much to our Chief Operations Officer, Coach Leo Isaac. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us meet the handsome and beautiful faces that will be broadcasting live ngayon sa Sinag Liga Asia. Your SLA broadcast team, your courtside reporters, anchors, and analysts. Once again, give it up for your SLA broadcast team. And now, for the oath of sportsmanship, to be led by the prince that was promised, Moore Prince Alaw of Apalit, I Love It.
Alright. Mic check. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly pledge under the amateur status that I will be guided by the highest standard of sportsmanship and fair play. That I shall recognize and abide by the decision of the officials of the game. Help promote the spirit of camaraderie among ourselves. Through these wholesome sports and disease from acts that will result in ill will among other participants. I further pledge that I will contribute my best towards the success of 23 Under J Project, SLA Junior Philippines Southern Mindanao qualifiers, and help achieve the aims and purpose for which is being held. So help me God.
Once again, our oath of sportsmanship from Apalit, I Love It, the prince that was promised, Moore Prince Alaw. And now, to officially declare the games open, let us welcome our league commissioner, the slasher, Rodney Santos.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, our VIPs, our beloved participants, our lovely muses, good afternoon, and welcome to the New World Showcase here at Sinag Liga Asia. And as a commissioner, it is my distinct honor to stand before you today. First and foremost, I just want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who have made this event possible. The organizers, the coaches, the players, team managers, the medical, the media for making this event smooth, safe, and accessible to all. The sponsors for their invaluable contributions. And of course, yun, sinabi ko, the medical team to ensure safe yung ating mga players. And Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase is a celebration of youth, talent, and our main goal for the next 5 days is to showcase this talent to the world. Makita kayong lahat. Sa mga parents, for their unwavering support, maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. Napakahirap ng travel. And again, it's all worth it. Mga boss, maraming salamat for coming. And to all the participants, good luck enjoy, embrace this experience, for they will not make you into not a better player, but also a better individual. Thank you very much. And now, I officially declare the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase open.
Thank you so much to our league commissioner, the slasher, Com Rodney Santos. Alam ko po, mga players, excited na ba kayo maglaro? Sorry. Are you guys excited to play? What about yung mga Kabalin fans natin dito? Excited na ba kayo mapanood ang mga laro natin? What about you, Jasmine?
I'm so excited, but I think I need to hear you guys again. Are you excited to see them play?
What about the master of disaster himself, Coach Paul?
Well, I'm here all the way from Cebu, so I'm excited as well. Play fair and play hard.
Play fair, play hard. Alam ko, mga kasinag, excited na kayo. Diyan na po, magtatapos ang ating opening ceremonies dito. Siyempre, before we turn it over once again to DJ Yuna Alegre, once again, I am Enzo Galarosa.
I am Jasmine Salarda.
And I'm Coach Paul Hoven.
And this has been your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Sinag Liga Asia, we are one.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit hindi ka na babalik. Magulat ba sa inyo pagbubuhos dito? Paunahin at mukhang hindi ko masasabihan ang iyong yapak sa pagbiti at pag-iyak, sa paglipad at pagbagsak ng araw-araw. Sa pagtikip na lang kita, matititigan sa mata, sa panaginip na magbabasigaw. Kamusta ka na? Kahit huwag nang sagutin, di ba na wala ang biglang nandito eh? Sayang ganun ka na ulit. Sayang ganun ka na ulit. 'Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap ba mag-isang namimilig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Pag wala
Alright, may we request all our officials, all our players, for a photo op?
Yeah, can we gather all the players here? Dikit-dikit tayo, we'll take official photos. Okay? Compress lang lahat. We'll have our photographers. We'll call on all the officials, directors to please join us. Boss Ray Alaw, Coach Eric Quintana, Coach Leo Isaac, Commissioner Rodney Santos. Okay, teams. Mga teams, can you join us? Everyone in Canada. Yung iba, upo. Yung iba, upo. Everyone gets a photo. Yung mga nasa likod, lapit lang kayo. Okay? We'll call on our directors. Boss Ray Alaw. Everyone. Canada. Join us. Okay. Our directors, international affairs, everyone. Just a quick photo so we can start the game. Okay, official photographer. Nasa